Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the spotlight's voltage and matching power supply, because mismatched voltage fries LEDs. Once verified, turn off the breaker and prove the line is dead with a multimeter. This protects you and the fixture. Strip 6-8 mm of insulation from each conductor, twist stranded wires, and pre-tin or use quality crimp connectors to ensure low resistance joints. Make sure to orient polarity, positive to positive, negative to negative, since LEDs are diodes and will only light one way. Next, fasten the spotlight bracket to a solid surface, sealing entry points with silicone to keep moisture out. This prevents corrosion that kills lights. Route the low-voltage cable, choosing gauge per length to limit voltage drop. Thicker cable reduces dimming at distance. Strip and connect wires using waterproof connectors or adhesive-lined heat shrink for outdoor installs. Once done, bundle excess cable, avoid tight bends, and secure with clamps so strain won't pull connections loose. Now restore power and operate the spotlight from its switch or dimmer to confirm full brightness. You want to see steady output. If you encounter flicker or reduced brightness, make sure polarity is correct, connections are tight, and the supply voltage under load remains within spec, because loose contacts or voltage drop cause flicker. If the light stays off, isolate the issue by powering the fixture with a known good supply. This quickly tells you if the problem is the fixture, the wiring, or the transformer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.